Hi everyone, my name is Katie Connolly, and tonight I'm going to show you how to archive and delete a class. So I'm just going to do a practice with one of my practice classes from this class. So I'm going to do the Connolly 2017 to 2018, and I'm on my Google Classroom page, so I see all of the classrooms listed here. I'm going to go to the three dots. And on those three dots here, the third option is archive. So if I click archive, it says you and your students won't be able to make changes. You can view this class and archive classes in the classroom menu. All class files will remain in Google Drive. So that is the number one top thing that I like about the archive a class, because you can still access all of your tools and resources throughout your Google Drive. So if a student wants to go back and use one of their assignments for another project for another class, or if you have something that you want to use for another class, it's nice that you can go back to your drive and access that. So I'm going to go ahead and click archive. And now you see that that class is not viewable. Now, if I hang on, let me move this. If I go up to the three bars right up here next to Google Classroom up in the left and select that, I'm going to scroll all the way down to where it says archived classes. And if I click that, then you can see my classes right here. Again, if I go to the three dots, I can restore the class. So bring it back to live action. Or I can click delete, which means my class is gone for good. I will not have access to it, neither will my students, and all of the resources are now gone. So I'm going to click restore and show you that it will show back up with my classes. You and your students will be able to interact with this class again. The class will be shown in classes in the classroom menu. So I'm going to click restore. It says no archived classes. And if I go back up to my classes, you will see that it is now listed here with all of my other Google Classrooms. So, like I said, if you want to delete a class, again, you're going to go to the archive, click archive, and then scroll down to the archive classes, click the three dots, and then you're going to click delete, which I don't want to delete this class. I still want to spend some time figuring some things out and practicing. So I'm going to click restore again and bring it back to action so that I am able to view it and do different things on it. So that is how you would move a class to archive. The biggest reason I foresee taking a class to the archive is just so that students aren't able to see it. It's not active. You're no longer using it. I can see myself like in the summer maybe archiving a class just so that I can refresh it and update it without students seeing it, or even create a new class, but then I'm still able to access those materials to upload to my new classroom. So thank you for watching. I hope you guys all have a great end to our class. Thanks.